sketching me out right now.
Why? Why?
I don't know. It's a small room for you to be standing up on the top of a ladder. You have the track record for breaking stuff in here, so I'm stressed. As we promised, we are here today doing a spotlight video on the Nissan Adventure Kit and the Adventure Medic Kit that they have. As you guys may have seen in our previous video, it was Friday's Quickie from last week. We discovered these when we were looking through our first 2020 Titan that got on our lot, or came to our lot. And of course, naturally, we see something cool, we're gonna dive into it. So, what's the plan today?
So, let's start out with the Medic Pack. So, real quick, show them that bag. Let's check both of these out. So,
really nice bags.
Really nice bag. These things have plenty of room.
They both have this little pouch on the back too.
Yep.
Look at that, it even stands up.
Perfect. So, in this kit, we've got a list here, a couple things show you guys that is included. We've got
standout things in our opinion.
CPR face shield, so if you're out doing something and you need to protect yourself. Blood stop, controls bleeding fast. That's what it says on the pack. So
I thought that was pretty cool that was in there. I don't know what even comes in most first aid kits anymore, so I thought that was cool that it was included in this one. What is that? Quick guide.
Got a quick guide.
Quick reference guide.
So if you're, you get in a situation, maybe it's something you know how to do, maybe you got stressed out. You can go through here, look, it'll tell you what to do. You can be confident you're doing the right thing. I will tell you one thing in this that I love. The cool packs.
I've never had to mess with those. But
I coach soccer and go through these things like crazy.
Really?
So, yeah, if you're out, whatever you're doing, you got kids, yourself, whatever, you run into something, you get too wild. These are amazing.
Can we talk about the fact that it says sprains, but when I read it quick on the side here, I thought it said brains, and I was like, I don't know what is happening right now.
But quick rundown. This is a long list, so I'm gonna run through it fast. So tons of bandages, knuckle bandages, fingertip bandages. There's some butterfly closure bandages, woven pads or non-woven pads, excuse me. Abdominal pad, the blood stop, cleansing wipes, antiseptic wipes, first aid burn cream, triple antibiotic ointment packets, gauze rolls, 2 different sizes, cold pack, disposable towels, pair of vinyl gloves, fingertip splint.
Which that is cool, actually.
Yeah.
It's over on this side, right?
Yeah, I meant to grab that out too, I'm sorry.
Where was that?
So little splint here, so you just stick your finger in this thing and fold it and you're locked in.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And then from there, adhesive tape, elastic bandages, triangular bandage, the CPR face shield. There's insect repellent, which is
random but useful.
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's good that's in there.
Sting relief pads, and then there's a couple tools in here. There's tweezers and a magnifier, scissors, and then the quick guide.
Show them the tweezer magnifier combo. What'd you do with it?
Where is it? It's right here. So
it's all sealed up. We're not going to open it up. Yeah. But it's basically a small magnifying glass and then tweezers that you can rotate off of it and use like that if you're trying to.
Yeah, if you need to. Yeah, you get to hold one thing, which is super convenient.
Right.
And you can use your hands. But yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of stuff in this kit that I've used personally.
Yeah. And it's small enough, too. You can keep it just under your seat or whatever. I mean, that's what I'm going to do. I'm definitely buying one of these. I'm going to try to see if I can swing one of these. But that for sure, because, I mean, it's a safety item. Yeah. I should have that in my truck.
I'm probably going to snag one of these, too.
Yeah.
Because, I have a couple first aid kits, but you have to refill them. And,
right.
I mean, maybe I'll just start over.
Well, and the bag is, the bag's nice, so you can buy whatever you need to keep in there and refill it back up and keep it fresh and whatever. So this is the Adventure Kit. So this is basically going to be the essentials for what you need.
Stuff out. Yeah,
to, if you're going to go outdoors, off-road, logging roads, whatever, it's a good little emergency kit. So first thing I see in here, matches. Everybody knows matches are important if you ever get stranded for whatever reason. Some duct tape. Dropping stuff.
Yeah, you can pull everything. Just go through the stuff.
Tire pressure gauge. Yeah. We've got glow stick. We've got, do you want it over here so it's a little bit more visible maybe?
Good. Yeah.
Okay. So, put this stuff here. And then what is this? Oh, fire starter. Water purification tablets. So that's a crucial one. This is a survival wrap or like a Mylar blanket. So that's actually really cool that that's in there because that's an important thing. What else? We got some hand warmers. We've got a couple, is it one poncho, two ponchos? Probably just one. A whistle?
Yeah.
Got a whistle. What else? So that's everything in this top pouch. So all these things in here, there's still room for more stuff once again. And then what else do we have? So this is where the goods are. So pair of gloves, microfiber, spongy cord that's attached. And then,
everything's coming out together.
Yeah, it's coming out together. It's just I'll start pulling and it'll all come out. One bungee cord, zip ties. All you boys out there know how important those zip ties are. This is kind of cool. So this is one of those flashlights that they have like the wind-up ones or whatever. This one's a squeeze one, so you squeeze the handle and it'll, I don't even understand how it works, but charges it up basically and lets you use that. So that's good forever basically. This, if I can get it open, where's that? There. There we go. So this little guy, I'm going to try not to blind myself. So this is like, he looked away, he was stretching.
Looking away.
So this is like a, it has a little magnet on the back, so you could put this on. I just noticed this too.
Yep.
Has a little hook. So it's a safety light like this. It also flashes. How did he get? There you go, and you can turn that on too. So pretty cool multi-use light tool, basically. I'm impressed. That was the first time I've ever tried to mess with that thing, so I'm impressed I figured out how to turn it off because we were struggling.
One of the things that I've noticed, and I guess I just put this together as you're looking at that, is there's a lot of stuff in this that we talk about in our track day video.
Yeah, that's funny. I didn't even think about that.
So, yeah.
Yeah, some basic things. This is pretty cool. So this is like a collapsible, foldable shovel. It also has a pick option, basically. What did he call this? An e-tool? Is that what he said? It's like an entrenching tool, but you call it an e-tool for short. So this is pretty cool. It has a little saw blade on it here. I don't know how well that thing would actually work, but it is metal for the most part, so it's actually pretty solid. So another cool thing here that's included. I've actually used, I have another one in my truck already that I've used for a couple different things. Pretty nice. This is a multi-tool. So pliers, wire cutters, it has some screwdriver bits, knife blades, stuff like that. So pretty neat. And it's actually pretty decent quality.
Yeah. To be something in a kit like this.
Right.
It's pretty stout.
That you could put it on your belt there, guy.
Yeah.
Did you see with your New Balances on? Anyways, strap for this. So when we first looked at this, the first thing we thought was, why isn't there like a strap or a backpack? Because we thought it was backpack, but there isn't. So it comes with this separate strap with two carabiners on it, so you can hook it to two hooks on here and carry it that way if you need to.
That could be its own useful thing too.
Right.
If you got in a situation where you needed something like that.
Right. And then toe strap, so you never know when you or someone else is going to need one of those.
Right.
And then last but not least, I think, is a tarp. So you need to work on your vehicle underneath it. It's raining, pouring, it's muddy. You're going to want to put something down like this before you have to get under there.
Yeah.
Or it can be used as a blanket or something,
you
too.
You can do a lot of
stuff. You never know. You never know. So that's pretty much it as far as what's in there. But once again, I mean, even with all this stuff I just pulled out of this bag, there's still room to add.
Yeah, you can throw stuff in there that you want. You know, if there's, something that if you are always carrying around tie-down straps, you could easily throw 2 tie-down straps in there and still have room for more stuff. You can put 6 tie-down straps in there if you wanted to. There's room. But, yeah, we've got these things up on the website. You can purchase these. We'll include links below in the description. But, yeah, these are just pretty cool kits that Nissan came out with, and we were pretty excited to bring them to you guys.
They really thought about what they put in these, I think. I mean, they did a pretty good job with that.
So, as promised, we're here with the Nissan Adventure Pack and Adventure Medic Kit. What's up?
Adventure Kit.
What'd I say?
Pack. Again.
Today with the... I can't even do it. I can't even do it. I was going to say, it's a kit. Huh?
Play-Doh snakes?
What?
What?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Put a snake.
Play-Doh snakes.
Play-Doh. Ooh.
I'm glad you finally realized what I was saying.